Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Clever Cat Litter Box is probably one of the most innovative solutions for cat owners seeking to minimize litter scatter and odor, offering a unique top-entry design that encourages cats to use it while keeping the mess contained. This litter box aims to provide a cleaner and more pleasant environment for both pets and their humans, transforming the daily chore of litter box maintenance into a more manageable and less intrusive experience. Its thoughtful construction addresses common frustrations associated with traditional litter boxes, making it a compelling option for those prioritizing cleanliness and convenience in their homes. Number 5. Iris USA Large Cat Litter Box with Lid. Introducing a large cat litter box designed for comfort and containment. Its spacious interior accommodates cats of all sizes, while the dog-proof design ensures privacy. The innovative top-entry design significantly reduces litter tracking around your home. It also prevents other pets from accessing the litter, keeping your space tidy. This covered enclosure helps to reduce odors and control litter scatter. The grooved lid catches litter from paws, keeping your floors cleaner. Cleaning is a breeze with its smooth interior surfaces and removable lid. Accessing it for scooping or changing litter is quick and hassle-free. Crafted in the USA with durable, high-quality, and recyclable materials, you can trust its reliable performance for your cat's daily needs. This litter box comes complete with an included scoop for your convenience. Everything you need for a clean and tidy litter area is right here. What we like? This one is made in the USA with durable materials. If you are looking for a reliable and long-lasting option, this is a great choice. It's also dog-proof and helps control litter scatter, making it ideal for homes with multiple pets or those who want to keep their floors clean. What people say. The top-entry design helps to keep the litter from being tracked out of the box. The large size of the box is great for bigger cats, and it's easy to clean. The included scoop is a nice addition and fits perfectly in the holder. Number 4. Feandrea XL Enclosed Cat Litter Box UPPT002G01. Cleaning up after your feline friend has never been easier. This litter box features a convenient slide-out tray, making scooping and litter changes a breeze. It even comes with a scoop and brush for thorough cleaning. Your cat will love the generous interior space. It's designed to provide ample room, ensuring your cat feels comfortable and has plenty of space to move around. Tired of litter being tracked all over your home? The great top and raised edges work together to significantly reduce stray litter, keeping your floors cleaner. Worry less about messes with its innovative double-layer side construction. This design effectively prevents litter from leaking onto your floors, even for enthusiastic diggers. You have complete control over how your cat enters and exits. With a simple rotating knob, you can set it as a one-way entry, one-way exit, or a two-way door for free movement. Provide your cat with a private and secure space to do their business. The enclosed design also helps to minimize unpleasant odors, creating a more pleasant environment for everyone. What we like? This litter box features an easy slide-out tray for quick cleaning. If you prioritize convenience and ease of maintenance, this is the one for you. The adjustable door offers flexibility for your cat's entry and exit preferences, and its spacious interior ensures comfort for cats of all sizes. What people say. The top-entry design helps to keep the litter from being tracked out of the box. The high sides of the box prevent litter from scattering. The included scoop fits perfectly into the side holder. Number 3. Stainless Steel Extra Large Cat Litter Box. Tired of difficult litter box cleanups? Our innovative flip-top design allows for quick and easy scooping without removing the entire lid. Cleaning has never been simpler. Crafted from premium stainless steel, this litter box is built to last. Its smooth, non-stick surface ensures effortless cleaning and resists deformation, unlike plastic alternatives. Keep your home smelling fresh. The integrated carbon filter effectively absorbs odors, creating a clean and pleasant environment for both you and your feline friend. Give your cat the freedom to choose their entry and exit. With both front and top access options, it caters to all their unique habits and preferences. This extra-large litter box offers ample space for your cat to move comfortably. It's perfect for larger breeds, multi-cat households, and ensures plenty of room for litter. Your purchase includes everything you need: the litter box, a filter pedal, scoop, carbon bag, and extra pads. We're here to assist if you have any questions. What we like. Constructed from premium stainless steel, this litter box is built for durability and is odor-free. If you're seeking a long-lasting, easy-to-clean solution that combats odors effectively, this is an excellent option. The flip-top design simplifies scooping, and the dual front and top entry caters to different cat preferences. What people say. The top entry design helps to keep the litter from being tracked out of the box. The large size of the box accommodates cats of all sizes comfortably. The high sides prevent litter from scattering outside the box. Number 2. PetSafe ScoopFree Crystal Pro Legacy Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. Say goodbye to daily scooping. This automatic litter box takes care of waste for you, offering weeks of hands-free maintenance. Experience a fresher home with advanced odor control. Its crystal litter absorbs moisture and dries waste, keeping unpleasant smells at bay. Tired of tracking litter? Our low-tracking crystals minimize dust and prevent residue from sticking to your cat's paws, ensuring a cleaner living space. Designed for convenience, the disposable trays feature a plastic lining to prevent leaks. A simple lid makes disposal quick and mess-free. Gain valuable insights into your feline friends' well-being. Integrated sensors track usage, helping you monitor their health patterns. With over 25 years of innovation, PetSafe is dedicated to your pet's happiness and health. Our US-based team is here to assist you. What we like. This is a self-cleaning litter box that uses crystal litter for superior odor control and low tracking. If you want to avoid scooping for weeks and maintain a clean home with minimal effort, this is the ultimate choice. The integrated health counter also provides valuable insights into your cat's well-being. What people say. The top entry design helps to keep the litter from being tracked out of the box. The large size of the box accommodates even larger cats comfortably. The high sides of the box prevent litter from being kicked out. Number 1. Zero Odor Litter Odor Eliminator. Are you struggling with persistent odors from your cat's litter box? It's time to experience a new level of freshness in your home. We've developed a revolutionary solution to permanently eliminate those unpleasant smells. Say goodbye to masking odors and hello to true freshness. Our unique, patented molecular technology actively seeks out and neutralizes odor molecules. It doesn't just cover up smells, it eliminates them at the source. You can use it with complete peace of mind. It's completely pet-safe, ensuring a healthy environment for your beloved companions. No matter what type of litter you use, our formula is effective. It provides a versatile solution for every cat owner. Each 16-ounce bottle contains over 400 sprays, offering long-lasting odor elimination. Enjoy a consistently fresh-smelling home. What we like. This product is a powerful odor eliminator utilizing patented molecular technology. If persistent litter box odors are a major concern for you, this is the solution. It works on all types of litter and is pet-safe, ensuring a fresh-smelling home without harsh chemicals. What people say. The top entry design prevents litter from being tracked out of the box, keeping the surrounding area much cleaner. The high sides and the top opening effectively contain the litter, even with active cats, minimizing mess and odor. Easy to clean and scoop, the large size accommodates multiple cats comfortably without feeling cramped. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.